Best deals.
1. Strainer pot. Built-in locking strainer lid lets you drain pasta, rice, and noodles directly from the pot. No colander needed. Lock, tilt, and drain safely without scalding steam. Perfect for boiling pasta, cooking rice, steaming noodles, or making soups. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Kadai. Made from heavy-duty cast iron that distributes heat evenly and maintains high temperatures for perfect searing and deep frying. Features a high-quality, heat-resistant glass lid that allows you to monitor cooking progress without lifting the cover and losing moisture or heat. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Tadka pan. Is designed for preparing tadka, melting butter, reheating small quantities of food or quick heating of flavorful spices. Made from 3 mm thick aluminum material for healthier cooking and better heat conduction for faster cooking. The riveted handle is firmly fixed, providing sturdiness, durability and firm grip. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Canister. Features a transparent acrylic window so you can easily identify contents without opening the lid, perfect for everyday convenience. Comes with a snug-fitting stainless steel lid that creates an airtight seal to keep contents fresh for longer. Locks in flavor and aroma, ideal for dry snacks, tea. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Kettle. Equipped with auto cutoff, dry boil protection, overheat safety, double protection controller, and high-quality thermostat for safe and reliable performance. Features a temperature control knob, light indicator, 360 degrees rotating detachable base, volume markings, 1.2 meters cord with cord winder, and copper wire conductor for efficient functionality. Food-grade stainless steel body with matte finish, detachable glass lid, wide mouth design, and concealed heating element for easy cleaning. The electric kettle cum cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Fry pan. Ensures that food cooks evenly without sticking or burning, even with minimal oil, guaranteeing optimal cooking performance. Designed for your comfort and safety, the Stay Cool handles allow for easy and secure handling. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Strainer. Lock it, tilt it, drain it. Never fumble with a separate colander again. Works for pasta, noodles, rice, anything you need to drain. Food-grade stainless steel used in professional kitchens. No harmful coatings, no aluminum contamination. Heavy triple base ensures even heat and prevents burning even on high power induction. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Pressure cooker. Cooks meals quickly while saving 50% fuel compared to open pot cooking. Food grade SE204 SS body and lid for durability and safe cooking. Easy to clean, ergonomic, and long-lasting handles. Maintains optimal pressure for perfect, even cooking every time. Unique gasket ensures durability and reliable sealing. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Tadka pan. Adds iron content to your meals that helps fight iron deficiency. Truly healthy cookware. Makes your dishes more delicious with a distinct flavor. Effortlessly cook your favorite dishes. Suitable for gas and induction stoves, OTGs and campfires. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Idli maker. Made of premium quality, food grade 304 stainless steel. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. The ergonomically designed body of the idli cooker enables heat distribution evenly. Aesthetically designed for enhanced convenience. Faster cooking compared to aluminum idli cooker. Perfect for daily use and urban lifestyle. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Steamer basket. Made from durable, rust-resistant stainless steel for safe steaming, cooking and long-lasting kitchen use. Pot sizes adjusts from 6 to 10.5 inches to fit small pots, pans, pressure cookers and cookware with ease. Perfect for steaming vegetables, momes, dumplings, eggs, seafood, baby food, washing fruits and draining. Collapses for space-saving storage and cleans easily after daily cooking. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Container. The circular see-through lid offers an airtight seal that locks in freshness and prevents contamination, while allowing you to easily identify contents without opening the container. The smart square shape allows efficient stacking and organized storage. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Square tawa is crafted without any coating, offering a natural non-stick surface, ensuring delicious and healthier meals. The square shape provides a larger cooking surface area compared to round tawas, allowing to cook larger ingredients like fillets of fish or long vegetables. Square shapes fit better on stovetops, ideal for those with limited kitchen space. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Kadhai is crafted with the PFOA-free non-stick coating shielded by stainless steel ridges. This allows you to use metal spatulas without causing damage and also ensures less wear and tear. The extra thick 3 mm tri-ply construction ensures superior heat retention. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Frying pan. Thick cast iron construction ensures even heat distribution and excellent heat retention for perfectly cooked meals. Pre-seasoned with natural oils, providing a non-stick surface that enhances the flavor and requires less cooking oil. Compatible with all stovetops, including induction, making it versatile for any kitchen setup. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Paneer Maker. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, the Paneer Maker ensures durability, hygiene, and rust resistance for long-term use in every Indian kitchen. Perfectly sized at 500 milliliters, this round paneer press is ideal for small to medium families to make fresh paneer at home without any hassle or mess. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Masala Box. Keep your kitchen tidy and efficient with our masala containers for kitchen 130 milliliters each. These stainless steel spice storage options ensure your favorite spices are always at your fingertips, enhancing the joy of cooking and making meal prep a breeze. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this masala box offers long-lasting durability and resilience, designed to withstand the everyday rigors of a busy kitchen, ensuring your spices remain fresh and flavor-packed every time you cook. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Puttu Maker is specially crafted in the traditional coconut shell shape for making authentic round puttu. Perfect for South Indian breakfast lovers. Made from premium grade stainless steel, this Chiritta maker is rust resistant, durable, and hygienic. Designed for long-term use in Indian kitchens. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Glass jar. Made with durable heat-resistant borosilicate glass, these airtight kitchen storage containers are perfect for storing spices, herbs, seeds, dry fruits, tea, coffee, and masala while keeping contents fresh and moisture-free. Comes with secure airtight lids to lock in freshness. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Capsule. Premium food-grade stainless steel, ensures durability and resistance to rust, maintaining the freshness of stored items. Transparent polycarbonate lid allows easy identification of contents without opening, saving time and preserving freshness. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Kadai. Upgrade your kitchen with this versatile stainless steel multi-kadai, an all-in-one solution for healthy and delicious steamed dishes. Made from premium quality stainless steel, this durable and rust-resistant cookware is perfect for Indian cooking enthusiasts. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Slicer. The unique design of this kitchen tool prioritizes safety by keeping your hands away from the built-in blades. Enjoy expert slicing without the risk, making it the safest choice for your kitchen. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Tope are carefully designed and fabricated with compliance with industry standards. With a very fine finish, it consumes low gas, oil saver, cooks faster and looks great in kitchen. These lightweight quality cookware are extremely durable and fuel saver, Pots are durable for everyday cooking and preserves nutrition so your recipes turn out beautifully. This lightweight belly-shaped tope set is designed with flat bottom base that enables it to use on induction cooktop and gas cooktop as well. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Kadai. Cooks evenly as the thick aluminium core distributes heat uniformly. Shatter-resistant tempered glass, seals heat and moisture, allows you to monitor food. Riveted, stay cool, handle with comfortable silicone grip. Compatible with all cooktops, including induction. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Steamer. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this put-to maker resists rust and cracking, ensuring it remains durable and reliable for long-term use without losing its performance. The flat bottom ensures uniform heat distribution, cooking the put-to evenly, and preventing overcooking or uneven texture, so you get perfectly steamed put-to every time. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Lunchbox. Made from premium food-grade stainless steel, ensuring meals remain free from harmful toxins, chemicals, and contaminants for a healthier dining experience. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, this lunchbox resists rust, corrosion, and wear, offering reliable performance for years. Equipped with an advanced locking mechanism. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Streamer. This stainless steel mold for idling and baking is made with high-quality and durable stainless steel material. The material of this mold is rust-free and does not tarnish with passage of time. These round baking and steaming molds are easy to clean, which can be cleaned conveniently in dishwasher or hand washing. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Strainer. The precision-engineered stainless steel mesh strainer catches even the smallest food particles, breadcrumbs, and impurities from your used cooking oil. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Pan. Crafted with tri-ply technology, stainless steel inner layer, aluminum core, and stainless steel outer layer for even heat distribution and superior durability. Naturally non-stick with proper seasoning and use, free from chemical coatings, making it safe for everyday cooking. Works perfectly on induction, gas, and electric stoves for versatile kitchen use. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Jar. Designed to handle a variety of dry goods including grains, pulses, biscuits, flour, namkeens, sugar, tea, coffee, and more. Ideal for home kitchens, professional kitchens, or even for decorative storage in your living area, these canisters help maintain order while keeping food items fresh. Crafted with high-quality stainless steel for enhanced durability, resistance to rust, and longevity that makes them a lasting investment for your kitchen. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Casserole. Features a 3-layered built food-grade stainless steel inside, aluminum core in the middle, and magnetic stainless steel outside. This ensures rapid, even heating across the base and sides, eliminating hot spots and reducing cooking time. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Garlic crusher. Crushed pieces are held in the curved design, allowing them to be spooned or scraped conveniently into a pan or bowl. Easy to use, apply downward pressure and rock crusher over garlic. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Fry pan. Features non-stick shielded by stainless steel ridges, allowing you to confidently use metal spatulas without worrying about damaging the surface. With an extra thick tri-ply construction, this pan retains heat exceptionally well. The sturdy, stay-cool stainless steel handles are designed to provide a comfortable grip even when the pan is hot. Engineered with precision, the pan features stainless steel rivets and brackets that are firmly fixed. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Container. Is made of high-quality stainless steel, making it unique and long-lasting. Compact size makes it easy to store in kitchen cupboards. The see-through lid allows you to easily locate and keep track of all of your favorite ingredients for everyday cooking. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Steamer. Is made up of stainless steel. This makes the steamer durable and long-lasting. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Containers. Made with high-quality stainless steel that is rust-resistant, durable, odor-free, and safe for storing sauces, chutneys, dips, snacks, and condiments. Tight sealing lids help avoid spills and keep food fresh, ideal for lunch boxes, office meals, school tiffin, bento boxes, and travel storage. Lightweight portable cups fit perfectly inside lunch bags and backpacks. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Kettle. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle-cum-cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. At the heart of this multipurpose marvel is a meticulously designed 1.2-liter inner pot. This specific capacity has been thoughtfully calibrated to cater to a variety of needs, whether one is a busy professional requiring a quick single-serving meal, a student living in a hostel, or a parent preparing a small batch of nutritious food for a child. A 1.2-liter volume strikes the optimal balance between providing ample space for cooking, such as simmering soups, preparing instant noodles, or boiling multiple eggs simultaneously, and maintaining a compact footprint that ensures the appliance remains portable and easy to store. This capacity allows for the efficient preparation of approximately 2 to 3 moderate portions, minimizing food waste and ensuring that meals are consumed fresh. The 3-in-1 multi-cook kettle with steamer is an essential kitchen appliance. Featuring a 1.2L inner pot, adjustable temperature settings, and a wide mouth, it operates at 600 watts in an elegant white finish. Ideal for boiling milk, tea, coffee, eggs, and steaming veggies, it offers unparalleled versatility. The modern culinary landscape is defined by a relentless pace, where convenience, efficiency, and aesthetics are no longer mere luxuries but fundamental necessities. In the realm of domestic appliances, the advent of the 3-in-1 multi-cook kettle with steamer represents a paradigm shift in how we approach daily meal preparation, beverage brewing, and ingredient steaming. At the core of this innovative device lies a brilliantly engineered fusion of functionality and design, encapsulated by its elegant white exterior, which seamlessly integrates into the contemporary kitchen. The 3-in-1 designation speaks volumes about its inherent versatility. It transcends the traditional boundaries of a standard water boiler to function as a compact cooking vessel and a capable steaming station, thereby optimizing counter space and reducing the reliance on multiple bulky appliances. At the heart of this multipurpose marvel is a meticulously designed 1.2-liter inner pot. This specific capacity has been thoughtfully calibrated to cater to a variety of needs, whether one is a busy professional requiring a quick single-serving meal, a student living in a hostel, or a parent preparing a small batch of nutritious food for a child. A 1.2-liter volume strikes the optimal balance between providing ample space for cooking, such as simmering soups, preparing instant noodles, or boiling multiple eggs simultaneously, and maintaining a compact footprint that ensures the appliance remains portable and easy to store. Product link is given in the 37th link.